Hi everyone, today I'll be showing how to make minimal videos using AI and using Python only. This is just a startup code, and as going forward we'll be adding smoothness to the videos and other features as well. For now we are going to keep it minimal and use the diffuser library and learn how to give the prompt and how to make a video out of it. Diffusers is not actually very good with the images, but I think it's a good to start with. This is the video
Football
that I have
stadium,
created. Please see.
variation 1. Football
It's just three
stadium,
images
variation
that we have given the prompt to the diffuser library, and then it created a video for us. There are many alternatives to diffuser for text to video, image to video, and video generation. You can also use Comfy UI and Animate Diff nodes, or automatic Tetra1 with Deforum Animate Diffs extension, or other Python SDKs. For quick results, you can also use cloud services like Runway Gen 3, Pika, or Luma Dream Machine. Also, if you have money, you can also use OpenAI or Google's video models via their APIs. They are very good and beautiful. Yes, I have also used them. Please see the GitHub link in the description and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.